Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts. And today in this video, let's see how to make Lippan Mirror Mosaic art. Mirror mosaic can be made using wall putty, POP powder or cement. And in this video, let's see how to make mirror mosaic coasters using cement. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making a mirror mosaic coaster. Friends, to make these coasters, let's take a 5-inch MDF circle, 4 mm in width. Trace the MDF circle onto a plain paper and cut the shape out. Fold the paper into half. Again fold one side of the semicircle into a 3-fold or a fan fold as shown. We can even mark 2 cm from the center and make the folds too as shown. Now do the same fan fold on the other side too. Once we have folded the paper on both the directions, we get some square shaped folds like this. Let's highlight it with pencil lines. Now here we have the template made, and this can be used multiple times to make the grid on the MDF circles. Using the template, let's mark the grid lines on the MDF circle. We have already painted one side of the MDF circle and edges too with black acrylic paint. Let's use leaf-shaped and circle-shaped mirror cutouts. Let's apply glue starting from the center, making a pattern to stick the mirror cutouts over it. One by one, let's stick the mirrors over the glue as shown. Let's continue sticking the mirrors all over the circle. Here we have finished one pattern design. Now let's change the shape of the mirror to diamond shape adding circle shapes in between and around as fillers. Using a different shaped mirror will create a different pattern. Next, let's use a drop shape and follow the pattern as shown to get another different design. Let's use smaller diamond shapes and follow the pattern. Friends, we have done 4 different patterns using the same template and following the same pattern. Using different shapes of mirrors have given us 4 different designs of mirror mosaic pattern. Let's keep it aside to dry completely. Once dried, let's prepare the cement paste. Let's take 3 spoons of white cement, add any shade of acrylic color to it. Also add 1 spoon of white glue to it and mix thoroughly, adding little water at a time. Our paste should be sticky consistency and not liquid or free falling. Apply the paste all over the coaster, covering the mirror design completely. Once applied, remove the extra cement using a card as shown. With a touch of water, go all over the edges to fix the cement properly over the edges. Also clean any residue on the edges using a damp cloth. We can use the remaining paste making a dual colored coasters too as shown. For the third coaster, let's use chrome yellow acrylic color. Using the same process as shown earlier, let's complete this coaster too. We have used the remaining yellow paste on the fourth coaster, making a dual colored coaster as shown earlier. Let it rest for 15 minutes. The cement will dry to some extent. Taking a damp cloth, clean the mirrors completely at this level, as once the cement dries out completely, it will be difficult to remove it. The sparkle of the mirror cutouts will make our mirror mosaic coasters more beautiful. Here our mirror mosaic coasters are ready to use as home decor or for gifting purpose. Thanks for watching.